to fix restricted Apple Cash account 2025 step-by-step guide. First, open up your wallet app on your iPhone. Open up the wallet app, and this is where you'll manage your Apple Cash settings. Check for restrictions or notifications, and then verify your identity. Apple may restrict your account if they need to verify your identity. If prompted, follow the steps to verify your identity using a driver's license, passport, or another official form of identification. Then open the Settings app, tap on the name at the top of the screen, then select Apple ID, tap Payment and Shipping, then Apple Cash, and follow the prompts to complete the identity verification process. Then review your Apple Cash account activity. Apple may also restrict your account due to suspicious activity. To review your account in the Apple Wallet, tap on Apple Cash, scroll down to view your recent transactions. Look for any unusual charges or transactions you don't recognize. If nothing works, just contact Apple support. To do this, open up your settings, tap on the Apple ID, scroll down and tap support to get in touch with Apple's customer service team. Then you can resolve any issues, explaining any disputed transaction, proving further verification of your identity, and addressing any payment issues or account violations. Then check your account status. It can take up to 48 hours for changes to take effect. If this helped, subscribe.